This is a story about money. A lot of money has been bet on cryptocurrencies.
This is the story of maybe one of the most interesting financial innovations in recent years.
Hey there, crypto curious folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. But don't worry, we'll explain it in plain and simple language. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, think of it as a digital money. Just like you have physical money in your wallet or bank account, cryptocurrency is a type of virtual currency that exists online. But what makes cryptocurrency special is that it's built on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger that keeps track of every single transaction made with that currency. This ledger is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any one person or entity, making it secure and transparent. In simple terms, a blockchain is a digital ledger that is distributed across a network of computers. Each transaction is recorded as a block and linked together in a chain. Once a block is added, it cannot be altered, providing a high level of security and transparency. How to use cryptocurrency? Now, to use cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet, which is like your online bank account. You can download a wallet app on your smartphone or computer. And just like physical money, you can send and receive cryptocurrency to and from others using your wallet. Each cryptocurrency wallet comes with a unique set of private and public keys. The private key is like a secret password that you need to access and manage your cryptocurrency, while the public key is like the digital address that you share with others to send and receive cryptocurrency. Where does cryptocurrency come from? Unlike traditional money that's issued by governments, cryptocurrency is created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that verify and record transactions on the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, they're given newly created cryptocurrency. It's like digital gold mining. Now, you might be wondering, why should you care about cryptocurrency? Well, it has the potential to revolutionize how we handle money. Cryptocurrency offers faster and cheaper transactions, allows for financial inclusion for those without access to traditional banking, and provides a hedge against inflation and government interference. Additionally, cryptocurrency can also offer investment opportunities, with some people buying and holding on to cryptocurrencies in the hopes that their value will increase over time. Risks involved. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile market. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and there are risks involved, including the potential for scams and hacking. It's essential to do your research and understand the risks before getting involved. Famous cryptocurrencies. It's also worth mentioning that there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there, with varying purposes and features. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency created in 2009. It's often referred to as the digital gold and is primarily used as a store of value and form of investment. Apart from Bitcoin, there are other types of cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins. These include Ethereum, which is known for its smart contract functionality and is used as the foundation for many decentralized applications, dApps. There's also Ripple, which focuses on facilitating cross-border payments, and Litecoin, which aims to be a faster and more efficient version of Bitcoin. With so many different cryptocurrencies out there, it's crucial to do your research and understand the specific features and use cases of each before investing or using them. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is highly speculative and can be unpredictable, so it's important to be cautious and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's it for today's video on cryptocurrency. I hope this helped you understand this exciting digital asset. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.